Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome to the crypto market inspection, 14th of January 2025. It is Tuesday today. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's Tuesday today, and yeah, pretty much. I mean, a lot has happened. Okay, I'm gonna start out on the weekly here, just to start like all the way. So, uh, we're still bullish, right? um, we are still above the weekly. 12 and the 25 EMA. However, we have tagged the 12 EMA right here, and yeah, we bounced pretty hard actually. We bounced after we swept this. What is this? Previous monthly low. This is the previous monthly low, and you got this like one weekly fair value gap, the top week of it. So if we go down dig a little deeper, we're keeping this really simple today. Okay, we're still on the weekly chart. Uh, right here. Yeah, perfect. This is exactly what you wanted to see. Um, I want to discuss this a bit. So basically, it's pretty obvious where liquidity was resting. It was below this low and below these lows here because this is your top weekly fair value gap. If you looked on the heat map, uh, majority of the liquidity was resting right here, and we set right into it, and we reversed extremely hard. We had an insane reversal so far, and we're looking to target this as our range high next. Why? Well, if we go on the 4 hour actually here, well, the range here is very clean. Okay, you have your range high, deviation of the range high, back inside the range, trade lower, swipe this liquidity, chop more, made a local range here, deviation, swept these lows, chopped, and we created more and more liquidity. Where the people who longed here probably put their stop, right? If the dollar cost average is from a further back position, if you longed here, right, you can put your stop here. But if you're targeting higher, you're going to put your stop below here. So the liquidity just kept building up more and more and more. But yeah, we swept the range low, and we have resting equal highs right here. Why is this in white? Give me a second. So we have equal highs, like so. And not only that, you have a perfect H4 supply resting um, on top of the range high. Let me use this one, H4 supply. Okay. Now we just had actually right when I started this video, we had a H foreclosure here right now. Looks like we're making a bottom wick. This could continue, of course. You have inefficiency here. We did break structure here again, so there is most likely, in my opinion, I want to see something like this, and then we go for the high. Okay, because you kind of want to like you don't want to take out this high again. No, I mean this low again, because then you're gonna trade lower and take out more liquidity resting here into these lows right here. There's inefficiency here. So if you take out this low again, you're gonna go way deeper into the Ferrari gap. We don't want to see that yet. However, I do think the possibilities that we see a higher low. Sorry, that we see a higher low created somewhere in this region is a possibility to sweep these equal highs and get towards the other extremities of the range, because we just want to be trading the extremities, and everything in between is no man's land. Sorry, I am, as I said in my previous video, I think on Twitter, I didn't share this on YouTube, but I got filled here yesterday. I got filled here, as you see. I have an alert set here. I don't really need this one. Now it's very clean. I'm using the same. I want to have it a little darker. Um, yeah, I got filled here yesterday. Uh, Pretty nicely, 9,151. It was exactly on the yellowest part of the liquidity cluster. I placed a limit order because it looked all right. I'm I put my stops below here just in case a crazy nuke it could happen. We have CPI tomorrow, if I remember correctly. But yeah, swept the highs, broke structure, looking for that higher low. Feel this inefficiency, sweep the equal highs, and take it from there. All right. Sorry, I almost choked. Let me have a sip of water. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're looking for at the moment. And yeah, so far keeping this position intact. Not doing anything here really. Stops can be mill break even, I guess, but yeah, it's looking good so far. Now let's go over to Ethereum, okay? So yeah, as yesterday, I am long from 0.30. I have my stops below here. This is actually, yeah, I have my stops exactly on 29.06, like right there. So I did go market execution here yesterday after we swept, after we took the liquidity below the obvious liquidity below here, and price rejected exactly on this NPOC, naked point of control, and now we're trading lower as this makes sense, but you do want to see price hold somewhat here. You want to see the higher low get made to keep the bullish structure. Take out this high. Maybe we do something like this, and then we go towards the mid. At the mid, you want to use as your TP1. This is your TP1, and then whenever we get a clear break above, it holds. You can look to add, and you're gonna target the range high. Maybe we deviate this, pull back a bit, get back above. We can look for another trigger, maybe another trigger from here if we are still bullish. Maybe an order block can be made somewhere in between here, right? And you can look to target maybe 5K if you do have FBTC and everything just in confluence with each other, looking extremely nice, right? Entry trigger here yesterday was very nice too. You did have the stock RSI at the lows. You had extreme amount of people aggressively shorting the range low, which is the dumbest thing I see, but I see it often happening on the charts. This is, you don't want to enter when you see something like this in a short position. But these got absorbed, pretty obvious. Didn't get filled on my H4 limit that I placed at this H4 order block right here. We front ran it, but yeah, I got the market execution and price traded higher. So yeah, I think it was up like, yeah, it was up almost 2R today. So yeah, it is what it is. This is how the market is looking right now. And I told you guys what I'm looking for next. In summary, look for the higher low to get made somewhere here. Price needs to hold above 3014 as that is our range low. And the same thing on PTC. Okay, you want to see price make a higher low and hold above this range low at 9,500 and target the H4 supply. Yeah, I think that's about it. I don't have anything more. I'm not interested in altcoins at the moment that much. Only trading BTC and Ethereum. And yeah, I'll make a new video tomorrow and update it from there. See you guys later.